Alright folks, this evening what we're going to be doing, we're going to be filming some of our animals. Thought I'd show you some of our plants here. And as you can see, your seedlings, it helps if you have a fan blow on them just lightly, not hard or anything. See how these are moving? That there will make their stem bigger and stronger. You can see there how they're moving around. Now these onions, we've cut them down. This is the second time we've cut them down now. Trimmed them up. Now that's just a little helpful tip, folks. Just have a fan blow lightly on them. Oh, there, Miss Gidget. Molly. Hello there, little Barney. Mary. Yeah. There's those two. Hello, cutie. Yeah. Hello, cutie. There goes her mama. Folks, I'm having to reshoot some of this. The camera messed up. Don't know why. We got Mongo back. He's growed up a lot from when he left. What's the matter? There's Mr. Jack. Hello, bud. Yeah, we gotta go up here and check on some baby goats. Well, what did you do with your little baby? I just seen her. This is her first baby she's ever had. She's laying right there. Yeah. Yep, she's laying right there. Oh. Hello, Nanny. Hello, boys, girls. Alrighty, folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. This is just a short video today. Cameras are messing up for a little, I don't know why. Hope y'all have a great day. Thank you again for watching.